Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. Today I'm excited because we're doing a first impressions on... You upside down? No? Good. I can't see without my glasses. It's a thing. The Australis Neutralize palette, which you guys would have seen that I picked up in last week's haul. Haven't played with it yet. I've seen lots of videos on it. So I thought I would do a video on it because I did a poll up on Twitter and Instagram on my story. What palette should I play with? And this one won. So thank you guys for voting. I thought I'd sit down and play with it because the colours are bloody beautiful. It kind of reminds me of the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Like, it's a mixture of those two combined, which is great because it's very affordable, accessible to us here in Australia for those that don't or can't pay that kind of price, because I certainly can't. This is $25 full price, which I think is pretty good, and Australis is always having sales. And it's available at Priceline, if I did not say. I don't remember. But anywho, we're going to dive right in. I've done my base. I'm going to hope like hell that there's not much fallout, because I hate doing... I don't know why I keep looking around like this. I'm like... Anyway, I hope like hell that there's not much fallout. That's going to be one of the tests, but... How pretty are the colours? Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. So pretty. Alright. I'm going to stop talking, I'm going to start playing. I'm going to use this as my mirror because I need a mirror. I have already primed my eyes. I'm going to... Okay, so all the names are on the back. But I'm just going to take that colour right there on a little brush like this and then see how it coats the bristles. Not bad. A little bit of kick up, if you can see there. So has that done anything? No. Let's try a little bit more colour on the brush. This is more to go into my crease and define it a bit more, because I do have quite hooded eyes. Oh yeah, they're quite smooth. Alright, so you can kind of see the difference to that eye when it's got no colour on it or whatsoever. The shade I just used is called a Marzipan. That shade there. They feel really quite soft and smooth. We're going to deepen up the crease with this shade right there. And that one is Almond Cluster. I'm going to take a clean, fluffy brush. So they deposit nicely on the brush. They're quite pigmented. Just to define the crease a little bit more, and they are pigmented on the eye. That one has more colour, which is good. And they blend out really, really easily, which I'm impressed with. Super smooth. So far they blend out really well. They're quite pigmented, and you don't have to dip into too many times to get the pigment onto the brush, which I'm impressed with. I'm going to go in with that shade right there, which I believe is Peanut Brittle. I love the names. Really, really cute. Just going to take this W7 brush. Not sure if you can really tell how well it coats. Oh, there we are. Just to warm it up a bit and just kind of build up that crease colour. They're really, really nice. They blend out like basically on their own. Like, look how pretty that is. Really nice to blend out. I'm going to take a deeper colour to blend out onto the outer corner, just a little bit. I'm going to take that colour right there, which I do believe is Fudge. Love the names. I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush. Alright, that's pigmented. Blend it out with the same brush I used before. Oh, eyeshadow brush by Designer Brand. I'm taking the shade A Bittersweet, I think you're called. Yep. Hopefully it's not too pigmented, but we shall see. Right, okay. Black is quite hard to do, especially in drugstore eyeshadows, so blendy blendy. I think we're getting somewhere. I'm going to try a shimmer on the lid because they've got beautiful. And we have some choices. I'm going to go try this rosy gold colour because, and I think it's called Salted Caramel. And there's been a bit of fallout which I'll clean up in a minute. Corner with that shade right there, and that one is called Coconut. Oh wow. She's pigmented, and then I'm going to do brow bone and then under the lash lines, and I'll give you my final thoughts. Final look for the bottom lash line. I just used that colour, which is hazelnut, and I used the matte white for my brow bone, which is white chalk. Overall, I think it's a really nice palette. Australis has done really well for $25. They're stepping up the game. It's not a hideously expensive palette, and it's got everything you need to create all the on-trend looks. Really pigmented, buttery smooth and soft, blends out really well on the lid, and they look really, really pretty as well. So I actually really do love this palette. The the foiled metallics are very soft, very glittery, but they're very pretty, highly reflective. I am happy to create more looks with this palette. So let me know in the comments if you're going to pick up this palette, if you like this look, and subscribe to a Explore YouTuber. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, comment below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.